Hello, everybody. This is Dr. G talking about the second collective that I'm hosting for January of 2025. It's the second collective. So the first one, we remove cognitive dissonance for your New Year's resolutions, for your plans. Now, everybody should easily understand how important it is that you actually have the physical energy and vitality to do and carry out your plans. As so many of the people in LA in this enormous fire situation have found out, if something happens and you have to act and move, you need the energy, the vitality, the capability of doing it. If you have a lot of plans to build a nice life, to build a new business, to do whatever, it needs energy. It needs vitality. It needs health. It needs robustness. Now, I just went through 2024 for almost the entire year, very crippled, in pain from that car accident last March. And I learned in a big hurry how important your body is. You know, we take it for granted, walking around up and down, doing whatever you do. You just take it for granted. But when you can't actually get out of a chair or you can't get out of bed because there's so much pain, you learn in a hurry what you were taking for granted. And I was taking so much for granted. I live with a great deal of gratitude, but I still, the body's just there, and you don't realize how much it's doing, you know, just to bend down and pick up something off the floor. So please attend this collective, and I'm going to tune up all of your energy systems, all of your body, your joints, your musculature, all the way down to the mitochondria in your cells that generate the redox molecules that transfer the electrons so you can move your body. Okay? It's an important one. We want to start this year. Cognitive dissonance is out. Your plans are green and good to go. And your body is green and good to go. Okay? I'll see you there. Go to the website, depthhealing.org, and get yourself registered. And tell all your friends, please. Bye for now.